For this, we are taking 3/4 to 1 cup ghee or clarified butter. I'm taking 3/4 cup ghee, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, half teaspoon cardamom powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 cup suji, half cup besan, 1 cup atta or whole wheat flour. First, we are going to cream ghee and powdered sugar. I'm adding powdered sugar in the bowl along with ghee. I've melted this ghee or clarified butter. Now I'm going to combine it well. It should reach a smooth consistency. First we are going to combine it and then we'll cream it using a whisk. Our mixture should be very light, fluffy and silky. The consistency of our mixture is almost there. Mix, mix and mix. Combine it very well. Now it is light, fluffy and silky. Now we are going to add in suji. We are going to mix it a little. Keep it in mind that we don't have to overmix it. Now I am going to add my besan or gram flour. Mix it a little and add cardamom powder or elaichi powder. Now we are going to combine these things. Now I'm going to add my atta or whole wheat flour. I'm going to add it in batches so that it's combined well. I'm going to mix it with the spatula. Now I'm going to use my hands to mix it very well. I'm not kneading it, I'm just mixing it with my hands so that it comes together. Now I'm going to add the rest of my flour. Again, mix it, but don't over mix it. Now we are going to add our baking soda and mix it. Again, we are going to use our hands and check that the mixture is coming together. Now I'm going to cover it with cling wrap and keep it in refrigerator for 1 hour. You can have a look at the texture of this mixture. Now I'm going to refrigerate it for 1 hour. It's been 1 hour since I kept it in the refrigerator. You can have a look at the texture of this mixture. Now I'm going to remove the cling wrap. And let's preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I have put the parchment paper on my baking tray. Now let's take our mixture. We are going to roll it into small balls. Look at it. Now I'm going to flatten it using my palm like this and roll it into the shape of a Nankhatai. It should be round and nice. Look at it. Now I'm going to do the same with the rest of the mixture. Roll it into nice and round smooth balls and flatten it using our palm. Look at them. And Nankhatais are ready. They should be round and smooth. You can have a look at them. Now before baking, I'm going to garnish them with almonds. You can also garnish them with pistachios. I'm going to put 1 almond on each Nankhatai. It will make them look very beautiful and attractive. You can look at them, they are looking so delicious. Now we are going to keep them for baking at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown on the top. We should keep both racks on. Look at them. Our Nankhatai is ready. You can look at it. It is so crumbly